Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hey guys, this is Varun Namdar and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. Here we are, some of India's most loved chefs, bringing to you a new recipe for every school day. So today I'm going to make Szechuan Roti Noodles with all the ingredients that, trust me, are readily available in your kitchen. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. The first thing is to heat a pan on high flame and add in a teaspoon of oil. Allow this to heat. The first thing that goes in are slices of garlic. Saute this on high flame, and while that's happening, I'll also add in sliced red onions. To this, let's add in mushrooms, which are loaded with micronutrients, and trust me, they're amazing for the growth of your child. Saute this on high flame. To this, let's also add in sweet peppers or capsicum. You can choose whichever color, or you can just go with a single one. To this, blanched baby corn, blanched carrots, boiled green peas, asparagus, along with moong and moth bean sprouts. Well, to this you could also add in chana, green gram, brown gram, that choice is yours. Saute this, and by now you would have realized that this one is loaded with vegetables. Let's add in just a touch of salt along with freshly cracked black pepper. The next ingredient is Kissan Manchurian Sauce. Well, this one is amazingly quick and easy to use. One, because it's got the goodness of soya, garlic and lots of aromatic spices, and two, it's absolutely easy to serve and store. Well, let's give this a good mix. And if you notice, a quick, easy and simple Indo-Chinese specialty is almost ready here. But now comes the main ingredient, and that is whole wheat chapati, which has been cooked and cut into shreds. Well, this is also an amazing way of utilizing your leftover chapatis. Let's give this one final mix, and with this, your Manchurian Roti Noodles are done and ready. Time to pack the tiffin. To this, let's add in some assorted fruits. With this, let's pack it in with some golden and black raisins and sultanas. And finally, our Manchurian Roti Noodles. Well, I'm most definite you've enjoyed watching this recipe. And if you have, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back very soon to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.